You don't always have to go inside the boiler to plug the tube. Sometimes you gotta be plugging the Windbox. Yeah, that's why I open up the front usually because it tells me which side is pretty much leaking. The bottom or the top, the Windbox or the chamber. So in this case, let's find out. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why I'm opening up this side first. I just realized it's the other side that's leaking, so I'm gonna bust down the other side. If you don't got a drill, you gotta do all this with an adjustable. That bad boy right there. That's a pain in the neck. Get yourself a drill, a 3/4 socket. Sometimes it's not even a 3/4. Alright, let's open up this bad boy and see which one is leaking. Okay, so it looks like the top. It looks like the top is leaking. That one right there. Okay, so now we know we gotta open up the top of the back. Let's go to the back. That's the smoke alarm buzzer. I'd rather plug the back first and let all the water go out through the front.
Ow.
Oh man, I just hit my hand. That spot right between your thumb and your finger. That should hurt. Let's plug this, plug the front. Let's get this done. Heading back to the front. It's not a bad leak, so we're gonna plug that front up. See that water steaming. I couldn't get it from the side, so I had to get the ladder and go up top. There's a comfort into hitting these plugs inside these tubes for some reason. Just feels good. Alright, now we get to close everything up. This the easy part. gotta close the back too, right? All right, that's pretty much it. It's done.